Here's the protective style that helped me grow my natural hair faster than I imagined after my big chop. I'm going to show you how to do African threading on this section. The rest are already done. I only did 6 sections this time. Can you believe I used to do like at least 10 sections right after my big chop? So the lesser sections you do, that means your hair is growing. To start, I apply a small amount of almond oil on my section, focusing especially on my ends. Now I grab my yarn wool and then I start wrapping the thread from the roots. From there, I just gently spiral the thread down the section, making sure to just cover every part of the hair without leaving like large gaps. This technique keeps my hair straight, it reduces knots, and it protects it from friction and breakage. If you're aiming for a neat and stylish look, you have to be consistent with the spacing. So here is why African threading is my favorite post-big chop style. It works so well because it stretches your hair without heat. I try to avoid using a lot of heat on my hair, so this is perfect for me. And it also protects your ends, which reduces breakage. It also keeps your hair tangle free for days or even weeks, because before doing it I have to detangle my hair, so I know that for the whole time that I have this as my protective style, my hair is tangle free. It is also very perfect for retaining moisture when used with your favorite leave-in oil. You could spray some water at your leave-in and your oil, and then you do the protective style. And most importantly for me, it has really promoted my hair growth, because it has kept my hair in a low manipulation, tension-free style. So once all the sections are threaded, I tie them all together into a low ponytail, and I'm going to use just a cute scrunchie to just style my hair. This just adds a touch of style while keeping the look very low maintenance. You can wear it in a bun or even accessorize it depending on your mood or outfit. Today I added a few gold hair cuffs. You know I love making even the simplest protective styles look cute and intentional. These accessories really elevate the look while still keeping it fully protective. One more thing I love about African threading is how quick and practical it is, especially right after wash day. Once my hair is clean and moisturized, I can get like the 6 sections done in under 20 minutes. It's perfect for when you want a low effort style that still looks put together. And the best part, you can dress it up or down, whether you're going to work, you're running errands, or attending a special event. Threading can be styled to match the vibe. You could add a bold scrunchie, you could add some gold cuffs, you could add a full puff, or you could tie the ends into a bun for an elegant twist. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this before and if you love African threading, or if you're going to try it after watching this. Please don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, for more natural hair care, protective styles, and natural hairstyles and growth tips. And you can share this with a friend who just did a big job and needs some style inspirations. I always post a lot of inspirations on my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.